And today we are going to solve exercise 2.2 for standard 9 on chapter polynomials. In the previous video we have solved exercise 2.1 and today we are going to solve exercise 2.2. So let us start. Question 1. Find the value of polynomials 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at 1 x is equal to 0, 2 x is equal to minus 1, 3 x is equal to 2. We have to substitute the value given here in x. First, x is equal to 0. So 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Here x is 0. So 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 raised to square plus 3. 0 minus 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Question 2. X is equal to minus 1. 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Here x is equal to minus 1. Substitute minus 1 in x. So 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into x square. So we will multiply minus 1 into minus 1 plus 3. So minus 5 minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Question 3. X is equal to 2. 5x minus 4x square plus 3. X is equal to 2. 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2. 2 square plus 3. 5 into 2 10 minus 4 into 2 raised to square. So 4. So minus 4 into 4 16 and plus 3 we will write as it is. 10 minus 16 plus 3. Here after solving we will get minus 3. Question 2. Find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomials. 1. Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1. P0 is equal to 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Question 1. Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Here it is given in the question that y value is 0, 1 and 2. So we will substitute each value in y. So P0 is equal to 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So answer is 1. If we take y as 1, P1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. After solving we will get 1. P2 is equal to 2 raised to square minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now we will substitute 0, 1 and 2 in the next expression. Second, Pt is equal to 2 plus 2t square minus t cube. P0. So we will substitute 0 in t. So P0 is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. After solving we will get answer 2. Now we will take t as 1. So P1 is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. So 2 plus 1 plus 2, 1 square is 1 and minus 1 square is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 and minus 1. After solving we will get 4. P2 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. So 2 plus 2 we will write as it is. 2 into 2 square. 2 square is 4. So 2 into 4 is 8 and minus 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So minus 8. After solving the answer is 4. Question 3. Px is equal to x cube. So Px is equal to x cube. We will substitute x as 0 and here 0 cube is equal to 0. Px is equal to x cube. Here x is taken as 1. So 1 cube is 1. Px is equal to x cube. So 2 raised to 3. Here it is, answer is 8. 4. Px is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Here x is taken as 0. So substitute 0 in x. So 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 multiplied by 0 plus 1. After solving we will get minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. P1 is equal to 1 minus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1. Here we will get 0. P2 is equal to 2 minus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 3. Question 3. Verify whether the following are zeros of polynomial indicated against them. First, Px is equal to 3x plus 1 and x value is minus 1 upon 3. So we will substitute x value, that is minus 1 upon 3, in this expression. So p minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3 plus 1. Here 3 will be cancelled, and after solving minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore minus 1 upon 3 is the zero of polynomial. Question 3. Px is equal to x square minus 1. Here x is equal to 1 and minus 1. Here in this equation, if we substitute x is equal to 1, so P1 is equal to 1 minus 1. Here 0. So 1 is the zero of polynomial. But if we substitute minus 1, that is p minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1, minus 1, 0. So minus 1 is also the zero of polynomial. So 1 and minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 is the zero of polynomial. Question 4. Px is equal to x square. Here x value is 0. So P0, x value is 0. So 0 raised to 2. So the answer is 0. So 0 is the zero of polynomial. Question 8. Px is equal to 2x plus 1. Here is given as 1 upon 2. So P1 upon 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2 plus 1. So 2 will be cancelled and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So here half is not the zero of polynomial. Question 4. Find the zero of polynomial in each of the following cases. So to find the zero of the polynomial, we will take is equal to 0. So 1 px is equal to x plus 5. So here px is x plus 5. So x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 is the zero of px in this equation. Question 2. Px is equal to x minus 5. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5. Here 5 is the zero of px. Third, px is equal to 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5 upon 2. So minus 5 upon 2 is the 0 of px. Because if we substitute minus 5 upon 2 in this equation in x, we will get answer 0. 4. Px is equal to 3x minus 2. Here 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. x 3x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 upon 3. Here x is equal to 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 is the 0 of px. Because if we substitute 2 upon 3 in this equation, p2 upon 3 is equal to 3 into 2 upon 3 minus 2. 3 will get cancelled and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 upon 3 is the 0 of px in this expression. Fifth, px is equal to 3x. 3x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 upon 3. So x is 0. So 0 is the 0 of px. Thank you.